Boo. You're about to be on YouTube. Oh man. Just walking here enjoying the snow. You just gotta love nature.
You're a part of nature?
I am a part of nature, that's true. Came from nature, and when I die, I'll go back into nature. Nature is so beautiful and so important. I love the fact that, I don't know if you guys have heard this analogy, but we're not complete without nature. And if you look at our lungs, for instance, without the trees, we die. So in a way, the trees are our lungs. They complete our lungs. Without them, we wouldn't be here. So just with that analogy alone, it shows you that we are a part of nature. So why do we destroy it? And it does all go back to us being denatured, to being taken away from our natural habitat. Because we're doing unnatural things. TV, video games, porn, sports. Sports are so popular. I mean, we care more about sports than anything for some reason. I don't know why. So music can be so empowering, but at this point, it's being used to destroy us. So that's why it's very important that we go back to nature, because all those things I listed, nature replaced those things for me. I would rather be in nature exploring a new place, a new park, a new forest, new waterfalls, just new sights, new places. I'd rather do that than anything I listed above. And before, video games was my life. Used to watch porn all the time. I mean, it was bad. But now, I have a new love, new home, new purpose, new eyes, more appreciation for life and everything in it. It's all thanks to nature. Like I said, it's thanks to the right foods too. Eating those fruits and vegetables, those raw fruits and vegetables, really clean my system out, really clean out all that junk. And when you clean out your body, you mind things better because it's all connected. So when my body was clean, I was thinking better. And I started to crave nature. And coming here more and more, it changed me, it transformed me. It's been helping me to get rid of my old self, my ego self, the self that I associated with before. And now I'm just being of love. Love powers me, love empowers me. And once you've entered that realm, once you've had a taste of real love, real appreciation, divine love, unconditional love, once you've had a taste of that, it's very hard to come back. It's very hard to leave that. It's very hard to go back to the old way of things, smoking weed, drinking alcohol. It's very hard to go back to those, hurting others, being selfish. It's very hard because you're a lot more conscious and a lot more aware of what you do. You realize that every action that you make has a consequence, and that it doesn't just affect you, but it affects the entire planet. I love nature. If you guys like this video, hit the like button below, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.